VI. Very, very important, I tell you, that particular one. Everything is important only. VI. Ready, everyone?
Ready, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. VI editor. Some people also say VIM. VI editor. You know, this VI editor was first originated in 80s. 80s, 82, 83, sometime during that time this editor has come. Even till today, this is the standard. When you go to any Linux interviews, they will ask you, are you okay? VI editor is the default standards across the industry. If you say that I don't know VI editor, probably they will not even consider that you know Linux. That is how the industry looks into. Imagine it is there since last 40 years. It will be there another 40 years also. As long as Linux is there, this VI editor will be there. So what is this VI editor? VI stands for Visual Interface or Interactive. Visual Interactive. Vim, VIM is actually a Linux version. Both of them are same. It's only a shortcut. It's only a shortcut. VIM stands for VI Improved. VI Improved. Is this clear? Everyone.
Yes,
VI.
sir.
This is the like your notepad in Windows. Notepad. What you can do in notepad?
Modify
Huh?
binary.
What you can do in notepad? Yes, tell me, I'm listening.
Change file data.
You can open file. First,
Yes,
you
sir.
can open file.
We can edit some
You
data.
can edit file. What all you can do?
edit and save.
Save the file.
Edit and save.
What else? What else? In notepad. You can search the data, find, replace. Yes or no? You're not speaking.
Yes, sir.
You can find.
Change the font size.
Font you don't have a notepad, right?
No, sir.
You cannot change font. Notepad. You can search.
Size I'm telling. Size.
Huh?
Size, font size.
Only one uniform size you will have. Even though you have font, only one uniform size. You cannot have different fonts. You cannot have fonts, underline, bold, italic, nothing like that in notepad. Same thing here also. We don't have anything like that. So it is a basic editor. This one is basic editor. But again, I tell you, you need to practice a lot this one. There are three modes of operation. There are three modes of operation. Please remember, I'm just giving the note. The first one, default. I mean, once you open VA, the default mode is command mode. The first one, default is the first one, command mode. The second one, editor mode. The third one, global command mode. Was this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Three modes of operation. Sir, notepad is very simple, just like that. We can start writing, playing, everything. But why all these things? Yes, this is like that. This is Linux. Everything special will be there here. By default, I tell you, whenever you open a VA editor, okay, you can open an existing file, you can modify, you can append, you can add, remove, replace, find, search, everything you can do. But by default, you are in command mode. You have to go to editor mode for doing all those things. So there are some global command mode, like file save, file exit, find replace, all those things will be in global command mode. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir, got it.
So there will be at least 15 to 20 commands in each command mode and global command mode. You need to remember and by heart also. By heart, literally the more and more and more you practice, then you will gain confidence. You don't have mouse here. I tell you, you don't have anything mouse. That is there only in Windows. Without mouse, only with commands you have to operate. Only with commands you need to operate. So I'll list out some of the commands for all of you. Okay. And we will learn all these things. We will learn all this. First, I'll write all the things, the important ones. So as and when I remember, I'll also append more things. So here, the first one is the command mode. The first one is your command mode. Command mode commands. A for append. Append A. Okay. Insert
I.
small I. Append end of line. Capital A. Capital A. Okay. Delete character. Delete character. X. Undo or what we call as undo, right? Small u. Okay. Delete line. DD. Or you have NDD. Note down everything. Copy line. We call as yank, WYY or NYY. NYY. Place, or in Microsoft language it is called as paste. P. P. What else do we know? What do we need? We wrote about delete character, delete line, delete word. Delete word, I didn't write. Delete word. Escape CW. That is change word. Not delete word. This is change word. I should not say delete word. Change word. Change word. Okay.
I forgot save, sir.
No, that will be in global command mode.
Okay.
That is global command mode. Okay. So now I'll also give the second one, the third one, which is global command mode commands. I'll explain one by one. Global command mode commands. Note down everyone. If you watch everything, let me do copy paste, your life will become copy paste, I tell you. You have to practice, practice, practice. Only then only you'll get memorized. Right. Save. You have W. Some people also call as write. Okay. Save. I'll write as write. Okay. Save, exit. Both save and exit.
WQ.
WQ. Save. No, sorry. Exit without save. Q compulsion. Force. Force quit. Save, exit without save. So WQ or some, sorry. Or you have another option also, or X. 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 X is equal to WQ. Okay. Find. Find. You can say slash and the string. Slash and the string. Find. Find, replace. Okay. You can say this is all global command mode. I'll write it here like this. This is called as colon. Colon. Okay. Here S slash find slash replace slash global. Like SED editor, we saw that, right? Same thing here. Percentages. C number bar. CNU. C no number bar. That is CNONU. Okay. Bottom of the document. There are maybe 100 lines. You want to go to the bottom of the document. Bottom of document. Or ground. We say ground. G. Top of the document. Top of the document. We say 1G. Not small g. This is capital G. I think more or less covered, right? Is there anything else which are required? Find, replace, bar, everything is over. Note it down, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, again, I say that people who are lazy, they can always do a copy paste, but that won't really help you. That won't really help, because even if you Google, you have good amount of documentation, more than this one. But if you start writing along with me, then only you will learn Linux. Okay, this is one of the important one. People often ask about this particular one. So how to go to command mode to editor mode? You have to choose any of these commands. Any of these commands. A for append, I for insert, anything. Then only you are into what we call as command mode to editor mode, from here to here. Okay, command mode to editor mode. You have to press A. From editor mode to command mode, how will you go? I write here. So editor mode to command mode, you press escape. This is called as escape. Okay. So from editor mode to global command mode, how will you go? You have to press
I.
escape and say colon. Two things, escape and colon. Right? From global command mode to editor mode, escape. The other things are only escape. So now let us start learning about how to edit a document. VA editor. I have given some important ones. If anything is required, I will add to this particular one. Okay. So this is my document, this one. I'm going to my home. Maybe I have a file called a test. Imagine that there is no files. Imagine nothing is there. I want to create a file. Okay. So I can say VI, any new file, or maybe testing or learning. I'll say learning. Right? A file name. Is this file existent or non-existent?
Not existing.
New file. It is a new file.
Sir.
So this is the editor. If the file is there, please don't do as I tell. If the file is existing, VI test. Is this file existing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Existing.
So the data is there. Hello. Okay. Okay. So what I want to do, VI learning. Learning. So now please understand, by default, in which mode you are?
Editor mode, sir.
Command mode.
Oh, come on.
So default is command mode.
Okay, sir.
I mentioned here. So if you type anything, it won't come. See, it is coming. No, it's not coming. It won't come because it is asking for a command. You see this one, these tilde lines are there, right? This is nothing but empty lines. Nothing has been used. Please understand this one. And the status bar is there at the bottom. Status bar is there at the bottom. You see the file name is there and it is mentioned as new. This is the cursor position. This is the cursor position 0, 0. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, for everyone, for the first timers, I tell you, it's not as easy as you think, this VI editor. So by default, it has come to command mode. So in order to append or insert, what we should do? Append or insert.
I.
What should I do?
I.
Either A or I need to do. Either A or I. Okay. So if I say A or I will say I. Both things are okay because there is no data now. I said I. Now what is the status here?
Insert.
Insert. Now you can start typing the data. You can start typing the data. Now you are into editor mode now. You have given the command and now you are into editor mode. You have to see the status always. So I gave this is a test file. Is this clear? I can start typing whatever I want. I can start typing. Hello. I'll say, how are you? I can also write whatever I want. I wrote. Maybe anything I can write. Anything I can write. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I can write like this. Okay. Whatever way you want, you can write. You started writing everything. Maybe now let us learn about one by one command. So here, now I am into editor mode or command mode. How do I know?
Editor mode.
You see
In the
this
bottom status.
insert. If it is insert, you are in editor mode. Right? How to go from editor mode to command mode?
Escape, sir.
Escape.
Escape.
Just say escape. What will happen? You see, just say escape. I'm pressing escape. Is the insert now at the bottom?
No, sir.
It's not there. It's not there. So you cannot do anything. You can move cursor. You can move cursor. You can see the point of the cursor. But can you type something?
No.
It's not
Read only file it is.
It is not read only. It is file. It is file only. But it is in command mode. It is in command mode. If I type something, it's not going. If I type something S, no, it is already gone for insert mode. So if I try to D, no, it's not coming. It's not coming. You see the character here, D. I tried to D, it didn't work. Is this clear?
A question, sir. Sir, if a file is in read mode, means the permission of original permission.
That is
in read.
different. That is different. Already we discussed. If the file is in read only, you can't make any change.
So, sir, and this file was in read, sir, but we are able to write it.
No. No. If you are
Yes.
having a read permission only, you can't write.
Hmm.
Anyway, let me discuss this one first. So here, like see, hello, how are you? So this one is there. Hello, how are you? I need to add question mark at the last. I forgot something. I can take the cursor with right arrow like this, like this, like this, like this, but that is a big task. Big task. Right? What I can do, escape, shift A. Did I get my cursor back to the end of the line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So all these things will come only by practice, I tell you. Only by practice. Okay. So now we learned about how you can See, A we learned, I we learned, A small a is append, that's okay. Append end of the line we spoke. So suppose I want to delete some characters, delete something. Okay, like maybe I'll add something and then I'll delete it. So I add, okay, this is also a test file. Some unwanted characters are there. I want to delete all these things. This one. Agreed? Press escape. You are in command mode. Okay. X for delete character. X for delete character. You see this one? Small x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
If I want to delete line, how will I delete line? So there is something here. I can delete X. If I want to delete line, how will I delete? What is the command?
Double D.
Double D. Escape. You are already into command mode. DD. DD. 2 times D. Deleted. No. I want to bring back. What should I do?
U.
Undo.
Undo.
U. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Delete line.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Character. Now, I'll also show you how you have to copy a line. Copy a line. This line I want to copy and paste it. Escape. What's the copy line? YY. That is yanking. We also call this as yanking line. Copying means yanking. YY. Escape. YY. It has copied. So here it has mentioned one more line. So bring down. Where do you want to copy? Maybe if I want to copy at the end of the line, Shift A, enter, maybe escape, P for paste. P for paste or place, escape, P. Did you get the line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is a bit hectic, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But still, that is the reason, one of the reason why normal people doesn't come to Linux operating system also. Everything is different. Something unique will be there. It's not the easiest way they teach. Okay. So we learned about undo. We learned about delete line. We learned about copy line. We learned about placing, pasting. We'll also learn about change word. So I want to change this word from little to big. This little is there. I want to change this word. Escape. What should I do? What is change word? CW. Escape. C. Sorry. So escape. CW. The word has gone. You can write your own word. Is this clear? The word has gone. Change word. So I want to copy all these lines. All these lines at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lines are there. All the 13 lines I want to copy. What do I do? Copy. Copy line. What is the command?
YY or NY.
Or NYY. N replaced with the number.
Sir, you can use restart session now.
Sorry.
Restart session.
The other one, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Anyway, I have started already. Okay, so this is the data which I have. This is the data which I have. I want to yank and copy. Maybe about 20 lines are there. You can see the line numbers also here. About 22 lines are there. I want to make the document longer. So escape 22 YY. 22 lines yank. Right? So I'll say P for place. I got another 22 lines. So if I want more, yes, I can say P for paste. So now I have about 66 lines. You can see in the status bar. Right? I want to go to the top of the document. How do I go?
Top.
Top of the document. Huh? How do I-
1G.
1G. 1G. Escape. I'm in command mode. 1 capital G. Did I move to the top of the document? See the status
sir.
bar always. If I want to go to the bottom,
Escape G.
G. G in command mode. G. Is this clear? You may be asking me, sir, suppose if I want to go to 30th line, how do I go? Right? 30th line. How do I go? So you cannot go directly like this. You cannot go directly. For that, if you want to go, you can go in global command mode. So is this clear? All the command modes up to here.
Yes, sir.
All this. This is the first one, command mode. All the commands. Now let us understand about this global command mode. How to go to global command mode? Escape colon.
Escape plus colon.
Right. So earlier, editor mode to command mode, we are going with escape. Right. But now, if you want to go to editor to global command mode, you have to say escape command, escape colon. Is this clear? So you see this one now. In which mode you are? Editor mode or command mode? How will you know?
Command mode. Sir,
Command
need
mode.
bottom it would be written.
Command mode.
inside.
Right? Because bottom, if it is there insert, then you are in editor mode. Whichever mode you are, you want to go to global command mode. How will you go? Escape,
Plus colon.
escape plus shift colon. Automatically, the cursor will come to the bottom of the document. The cursor will come to the bottom of the document. You see this one? The cursor has come to the bottom of the document with colon. Yes or no? Could you
Yes,
see?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Now, I want to save this document. How do I save?
W.
W. W. Finished. It's mentioned that written. How do I quit?
Q.
Q. Colon. You have to do only in colon. Quit. Q for quit. But came out. So again, I am opening this file. I again make some changes. Some changes I made. Oh, then I realized that I should not save this document. I should not save this document. What should I do?
Q exclamation.
Q exclamation. Q exclamation. Right? Exclamation. Means if you say only Q, it won't come out. It won't come out. You have to say Q with exclamation. Okay. You see this one at the bottom of the document. Nothing is there. Nothing has been lost. So you understood, right? All these things. Save. All these three. You can also do WQ also or X. Both of them are okay. Both of them are okay. So I'm making some changes here. You see this one. I deleted these lines. 3 lines I have deleted. I want to save and exit. Save and exit. I can say X. Single X is also okay. It is save and exit. Is this clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Up to this. Now find and find replace. Find. Let us understand about find. So here I'm at the top of the document. I'm at the top of the document. No, sorry. I'm at the top of the document. You see, I want to search a word called as little. I want to search a word called as little. How do I search? Colon, shift colon, slash little. This is clear? Slash little. I mentioned here, slash string. Press enter. You can see now all the things are highlighted. Did you see?
Yes, sir.
If you want to bring the cursor to the position where the highlight has happened, just say N for next. You see the cursor is blinking green. This one.
Sir, what did you press? N for?
Sorry.
Oh, so what did you press? N for
N
next.
for next.
Oh, N. Okay.
N. If you want to bring the cursor from here to here, again press another time N. The cursor is coming down. You see small green?
Yes, sir.
Again, N. Wherever it is N, 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 like that you can go.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
It's clear? N for next. You can use within that string N for next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how you search the document. This is how you can search the document. You see this one like this. Right. Now, okay. You can also search the document like this in command mode. You are in command mode, right? You are in command mode. Okay. Slash, also a star, it will search. Command mode and global command mode, you can do this particular one with slash. Now, I want to replace, I'm in global command mode, from little with big. Little with big. How do I do?
Star. Sorry. Percentage S slash and find the letter
Little.
slash
Hmm,
with the word
hmm.
slash G.
Did it replace?
Yes.
You can see from beginning till the end, it has done.
Yes.
It has done. Again, I show you. I want to replace big with again little. How do I do? Percentage S.
S
String
slash big
slash big.
slash little slash G.
Right? That's done.
Yeah, little.
Everything with command line only. There is no mouse here. Very little usage of mouse in this particular one. Right? Okay. So now next. So we spoke about this particular one, find and find replace also. I'll also speak about this numbering system. So here you see the status bar here. I agree this one. The cursor is in 56 number. You can also get a number also. C number. C NU. There is a number line which has come. Did you all notice that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, changed.
Like in Excel sheet, you get the number, right? Same thing here. Suppose if you want to go to line number 30, you are here. No need to see the status bar at the bottom. So this is mainly helpful for the developers. If they want to, if they see error at, okay, for line number so and so 300, how will they go? How will they see which is line number? Only the status bar only should help? No. So if I want from here, if I want to go to line number 25, line number 25, should I use bottom arrow like that? It is very tough, right? To go to line bottom number, line number 25 or line number 500, bottom arrow like that, go means it will take some time, ages. So what you can do, 25. At the global command mode, just press 25. Your cursor will be brought to 25. Is this clear? Any line. If you want to go to first one, the earlier 1G also we did, right? Same thing like that. If you want to go to 45th line, just write the number, line number. You may ask, I want to remove this line numbering. See, no number. Now number is not there. Number line is not missing. But still, can you go to that number if you know the number? Still you can go. If I want to go to 20 or maybe 21, I go, but number bar may not be there, but still you can go. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I think if you know these commands well versed, fine, fantastic. Insert line, all those things also. Insert line, I think you not O. Suppose I want to insert a line in between. Insert a line, shift O. No, here, shift to O, capital, insert a new line. Not much used, but still you can use here. Maybe somewhere right here. Insert blank line, capital O. Still more are there, but not much being used. Is this okay? Fine.
Yes, sir.
VA
Yes, sir.
is mandate. You need to practice very, very well. Then only you can understand. Otherwise, very difficult. It should be all these commands which I have given are selected commands. And if you remember this much, you can manage documentation. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, if we do undo, can we do redo also?
Yes.
Sir, command for that.
No, I didn't get. Undo is basically the previous action you are deleting.
Yes, I by mistake deleted 2 lines. So I
You do
want to.
undo. You do undo 2 times. Suppose I'm deleting this one DD, right? DD, this line also deleted, and maybe this ABCD line also deleted. Maybe another one tinkle star also deleted. I want to get all those 3 back. What do? Escape U. So first one you got it? Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Maybe once more you got it.
Yes, sir.
Maybe once more you got it.
Sir, now I did that. I brought back the 3 lines, but now again I thought means
No redos.
I only wanted to get back 2 lines. So can we do redo now?
No redo. Undo. You can do multiple undos. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? See, and again, one
Yes,
more
sir.
thing I'm saying. Here we don't have cut command. We don't have cut command. So earlier copy paste is there, cut paste is there. Here cut and delete, both of them are same. Delete lines or cut lines is same. Suppose if I want to cut this line, just delete this line. Okay. You want to paste it.